Alright, so we're here at the Amelia Island Club for their club championship golf tournament. And we are doing a la carte sushi, spaghetti, sashimi, and rolls. I mean, I don't know that the view is pretty amazing. Probably the best view I've ever had doing sushi. Definitely having a good time over here. I guess it's pretty messy and busy up here. It got crazy, like all of a sudden it was empty. Now it's insane. So pretty awesome though. Amelia Island Club. They love it, so it's